Hello and welcome to another update video about HBAR. Here on the HBAR chart, I just want to follow here the shorter time frame chart. We remain below resistance, but above main support anyway, above the 9.8 support, 9.8 cent support level. That's an important support level, larger degree, larger time frame support here at 9.88 cents. We are far away from that anyway, and at the moment, while I don't currently assume that a substantial low has formed yet, yeah, and I would find it quite likely that the price goes down lower based on what I see in the chart. There is no evidence that a major top has formed, okay? There's still plenty of space to the 9.8 cent level, which is the key support level because that's the level where the structure breaks, the overall structure. The wave 4 here, yeah, whether it's the white scenario or the blue scenario, can go all the way down to 9.8 cents if needed. That's the 61.8 retracement of the rally that topped in, I think it was November, yeah, or December, yeah. So that's the 61.8 retracement, and any wave 4 should hold above that level to remain a reasonable, plausible scenario. I see two pathways here. The first one is that in the white scenario, the wave 4 already bottomed. That would be here on the 25th of February. Low could be in. We're moving up in a fifth wave. But there's no clear pathway higher from here. Just don't see, the likely options here. So what I find more likely, but that shouldn't be a surprise if you watch previous videos, is that we are moving down in the blue scenario. Now in the blue count, the initial move down was only an A wave. And then we have an A, B, C structure in wave B, and we're now moving down in wave C. So this would be a pathway that we can track here. In this scenario, however, I don't like the microstructure so much. While it has been, let's say, it has followed the proposed roadmap and outlook over the week, throughout the week, yeah, which was lower. It doesn't quite fully align with projections to the downside. So what we do here does kind of suggest we could get another low. But is it going to reach the 100% extension? Would be quite far away. That's an ideal target there, 12.5 cents, based on the initial A wave down compared to the length of the C wave. So just saying there's a cluster of support at around 12.5, 12.8 cents. We don't have to get there, but it seems likely. But the microstructure doesn't support it yet. That means it could either extend, maybe that internal fifth wave extends, but we can't necessarily assume that. We just have to be mindful it could. And you have to be watching for it. Or, and that's another scenario, maybe the B wave extends. Maybe the B wave sits over here and we get the C wave down just a little later. So that means the B wave might just form an extension. And I find that quite likely, given that we've come down to support. I mean, this area here, the 18 cent area, 17.5 to 18 cents. We had previous support here, just now again. So we could get while it, the price could just go a little bit higher in the range. I'm not talking about a major breakout, just talking about, it might just range for a little while. And in this case, the scenario would be something like, okay, we had an A wave up, then this is the B wave down, and we get another C wave up. So A, B, so the internal B wave didn't finish here on the 25th of Feb. It's still unfolding, might get another low. And then we rally, and then we go down. Just trying to explain what to watch out for here. When can we say that this is the case? Probably not until we break above initial resistance, which is now located, which is now located between 20.8 cents and 21.8 cents. However, I can tell you that this resistance area did lead to a rejection. The price reacted to it, okay, as that's the expectation. But if we now make another run into resistance with the volume, it suggests probably we get a C wave up here in the white count. That would simply mean that this range in which we've been moving since, early February, this is simply extending, which would be frustrating. Just something to be prepared for also mentally. Bottom line is we don't have a clear bottoming confirmation. A move up in the range is always possible. Signal would be a break above 21.8 cents. That's the update about HBAR. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us here on X. There are additional discussions, tips about mindset, polls. You can engage with the community. Check it out. We are here to answer questions as well. So yeah, check it out. Link is in the description and the comment section pinned. Wish you a great day and have a great weekend. Bye-bye.